Sister VTI, and I believe every girl needs a black skirt in her closet. It's a staple, it's a must, and I found a really cute black skirt. This is by VTSGN, and it's perfect for summer and spring because it's light and it's breathable. But one thing I really like is that you have a tie here that's attached, and you can tie it however you want. So I just had it on the side, I can tie it in the middle, in the front, I can tie it in the back. So I love that you can switch up the look. This is a size medium. I am usually between a size 4 and a 6. So just so you have size reference, I think the medium fits me perfect. It's seriously so comfortable. I love the tiered look. I think it looks really nice with a fitted shirt like this. It would look fantastic with a crop top, but I'm not a crop top gal. I'm not quite that confident. But if you are, it would look great with a crop top. So I think you should pick it up. It's beautiful, it's fun, it's gonna be perfect for the beach in the summer. So I love it, and I think you would too. And that's my point of view.